Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial on JC Structural Typing and Function Overloading by Sir Osama. JC is a programming language that emphasizes type safety and flexibility, utilizing structural typing and function overloading. This tutorial will explain these concepts and provide practical code examples. Structural typing. Definition: structural typing is a type system where type compatibility is determined by the structure, i.e., the shape, of the types rather than their explicit declarations. This means that two types are considered compatible if they have the same properties or methods, regardless of their names. Example: in JC, you can define types based on their structure. Let's consider the following code example. J / define a type with specific properties. Type point equals x, number, y, number. / define another type with the same structure. Type coordinate equals x, number, y, number. / function that accepts a point type. Function print point, p, point. Console.log, point is at, $p.x, $p.y. / creating an object that matches the structure of point. Let coordinate equals x, 10, y, 20. / pass the coordinate object to the function. Print point, coord, / output, point is at, 10, 20. In the above example, although coordinate is a different type from point, it is accepted by the print point function because it has the same structure, i.e., it has x and y properties of type number. Function overloading. Definition: function overloading allows you to define multiple functions with the same name but different parameter types or counts. This can make your code more intuitive and easier to read. Example: here's how you can implement function overloading in JC. J / function overloads for the add function. Function add, a, number, b, number. Function add, a, string, b, string. / function implementation. Function add, a, any, b, any. Return a plus b. / using the overloaded function. Let sum, number equals add, 5, 10, / calls the first overload. Let concatenated, string equals add, hello, world, / calls the second overload. Console.log, sum, / output, 15. Console.log, concatenated, / output, hello, world. In this example, the add function is overloaded to handle both numbers and strings. The appropriate version of the function is called based on the parameter types provided. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of structural typing and function overloading in the JC programming language. Structural typing allows for flexibility in type compatibility, while function overloading enhances the usability of functions. By leveraging these features, developers can write safer and more intuitive code. If you have any questions or would like to see more examples, feel free to ask.